Hi guys, welcome back to my blog, I'm Architect Studio, and today we're taking you to a journey through Singapore's Urban Redevelopment Authority or URA, where innovation, sustainability, and architecture marvels come together to shape the city's landscape of Singapore. Join me as we uncover the top site you simply can't miss. But before that, please like and subscribe to my channel, Architect Studio, and hit the notification bell to be updated every time I have a new upload in my channel. Our first stop is the URA City Gallery, a fascinating hub that offers insight into Singapore's urban planning journey. From interactive exhibition to scale models, this gallery showcased the city transformation over the years and its vision for its future. After getting a glimpse of Singapore's urban evolution, let's venture into the heart of the city and witness some of URA's iconic project firsthand. The main purpose of the Urban Redevelopment Authority or URA of Singapore is to plan and facilitate the sustainable development of Singapore's urban environment. Its responsibility is for formulating and implementing comprehensive long-term plan for the land use, transportation, and infrastructure development of Singapore. This plan aimed to create a livable, vibrant, and well-connected urban space that meets the needs of the residents, businesses, and visitors. URA also regulates the use of zoning policy, development control guidelines, and building regulation, and conservation and heritage preservation. Overall, the Urban Redevelopment Authority plays a vital role in shaping Singapore's urban landscape, ensuring that the city remains comprehensive, sustainable, and inclusive for generations to come. So tara samahan niyo kami as we explore the Urban Redevelopment Authority of Singapore